Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm back with a specific small update about NFTs and crypto growth in India. As we have seen in past, many of the Bollywood stars, rappers, singers have came out with their own NFTs, and Gary Vee as well has his own NFT channel, and he promotes NFT like anything. And many of the other stars are already involving in their own NFT platforms because they see immense money coming out from NFTs. We see this fever is joining us in India. As the stars start promoting NFT and crypto tokens, we have the biggest update as one of the well-known Bollywood star, Salman Khan, has officially entered into the crypto game. He just tweeted a few hours back that he is officially launching Chingari's in-app Gari token, GARI, and the token identifier is $GARI, and it has a reward program and an NFT marketplace. Anyone can buy the NFTs, which could be his videos, exclusively on the Gari NFT marketplace. So this is, he says, it's a new chapter in the content generation and monetization. So we'll go to the news update in detail. As the company Chingari launches their own token, $Gari, GARI, and the NFT marketplace, they are trying to compete with their Hollywood counterparts. They are trying to go and beat other competitors. We already know that WazirX is already out with their own NFT game. They're allowing open source or all the developers or creators to join their NFT marketplace. Now we see Chingari is also jumping in to show up their own non-fungible tokens. So they will obviously have the content from Salman Khan, the movies as well. The co-founder Sumit Ghosh has shared with people that this will be a real change in the cryptoverse, as they will combine Bollywood with crypto universe, and their one blockchain platform will allow the people creating or watching content, as they have good funding at the backings, and they are planning to go it very fast and very hard on the Indian NFT market. But as we see no much hype for NFT in WazirX NFT as well, we are yet to reach a time when we really understand what people in Asia, or we should explicitly say the Southeast Asia, except Singapore and those ones are already in the NFT war, how the other countries in Southeast Asia react to NFT, as buying copyright content or buying personal creation contents is not so well versed here. We have to wait and see how this works. I guess if you like this video, please do like our video and ask others, share with others. Please do subscribe if you want to see much content like this. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.